Alright, welcome back with another fun one. This is Notorious Rollers with another eco guide. We're going to go over a quick demographic table, how to use the demographic, or in this case the Census Bureau, and another law example. And I'm going to base this one around the wealthy in your server. Most of the servers on eco have wealthy issues where a couple people will be ultra wealthy and not share the wealth. So this is a solution and a guide for a few of the tables. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get a Census Bureau that you can make in your capital. Once you make that, you can go in here and create different demographics based on things that you desire. There's a lot of different ways that you can do. You can make it like there's already a few current ones like active and abandoned. So I'm doing one called the rich. So here is how you would lay out your rich demographic. The only thing here that you would really want to change, depending on your server, is the amount that you consider rich on your server. Most servers I've seen is anything above 10,000 is typically rich, and they don't share the wealth too well, or all the wealth accumulates with them. So this is your example on the demographic, the rich. You can pass this like you can any other law. If you have any questions about how laws are passed, I have another video on how to create laws, and that is also on the right side or on my channel description. So once you pass the demographic, the rich, like I have it here, you'll simply go over here to your courthouse, and then you can create a law based on taxing the wealthy. And I'll go ahead and pull that up here so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so I set it up on the trigger. You go to on event, and you can go down to global timer. You could do this every 24 hours. I would recommend doing it every 24 hours. I did it every 36 seconds just to test it, and I was taxing myself correctly, so this does work. In the middle section, the if, and you would want to put if active and has the demographic the rich. Then in the third section, you would put then try to collect tax of 10% of wealth of that person in their money, and transfer it to the bank account for the government. Let me go ahead and try to pull this up so it makes more sense. Here we go. So triggers, global timer. Here you could just do 24. It's in hours. Demographics, the rich has any of those requirements. And the last one is, again, you'll tax them. It'll go to the bank account. It'll be a percentage of their wealth. You can do it any way you want, amount, percentage. You can do any percent that you want. I did 10% because every 24 hours losing 10% of your income is not terrible. And then prevent if unable to pay, because you don't want to tax someone all their wealth. So that's your quick guide on how to use the demographic table and example, and sorry, that's the Census Bureau, and how to create a law on how to tax that demographic, which I called the rich. Fairly simple. If you have any other questions, any other video ideas for me of guides that you need for eco that is not explained in the wiki or anywhere else, please leave a comment below. Pleasure speaking with you as always, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.